Today in this video, I'm going to give you a tip that when you're laying out your PVC pipe to put it in your ditch, this is something very simple to do, but it actually is very critical, and it's something that if you're not doing, you really need to start doing it. Kelly Staggs here, American Irrigator, trying to make you a better irrigator. Consider subscribing, that way you don't miss any tips. Let me show you something. Now when you're laying out your PVC, what I want you to do is don't just let it go and drop it. When you just drop that pipe, it's really bad for it. It actually can break it and crack it. And it puts these little hairline cracks that you don't even notice. And this pipe, particularly in the wintertime, when it's cold, this pipe PVC can actually get pretty brittle. And so when you just drop a pipe from pretty high up, it will break and crack that pipe. So I'm gonna give you a tip that when you're laying this PVC, it's gonna save you from ever messing this pipe up and breaking it. So I'm holding my PVC and I'm walking it down. What I want you to do is stick your foot out, and from here you can drop it on your foot and then let it down real gently like that. And so when you walk and you put the next one down, stick your foot out, drop it on your foot, and then let it down real gently. Let me back up and show you what I'm talking about. So when you're laying out your PVC to put it in your ditch, don't just drop it. Go ahead and drop it on your foot, but don't just drop it straight on the ground. Drop it on your foot and then let it down real gently. It's gonna save you a lot of problems if pipe breaking and messing up the pipe itself, but it's a good habit to get into. Anytime that you're just laying it out, and it could be a wide open area like this, it could be on the concrete, it could be on a parking lot somewhere, but don't just drop it straight on the ground from standing up. And you don't have to bend over and set it down real gently like that. Just stick your foot out, drop it on your foot, and then let it slide off your foot real gently onto the ground. Hope this helps you. Good luck out there.